Hey everyone! Welcome to the LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Bronson Professional Nail Filer and Cuticle Trimmer and tell you how it exactly worked out for me. I've personally used this metal filer, and I'll also be sharing some of my tips and tricks from which you will get the most out of any nail filer that you use. About the brand. After a lot of hunting, I was not able to track down the official Bronson website information. I did find an Instagram page and asked them for the information. Did the same via email. I got the email address from the packaging. Unfortunately, I have still not received any answer from them. From the packaging, all I know about the brand is that it originated from China. Where did I buy it from? I bought it from the online store called Nika. It is a third-party website and they ship all over India. Check the description box for the shopping link. Don't forget to check out all my nail art and nail care related videos. It is a must-watch for beginners. Product packaging. The filer comes in a cardboard box package that has a plastic window on the top. Cost and lifespan of the product. The cost of the product is 140 rupees. Nothing is mentioned on the packaging, but usually such a product should last for about a few years depending on its usage. Claims of the product. This was mentioned on the packaging. How many sizes are available? I have seen them in only this size. If you're interested in nail filer, then you have to check out this playlist of mine. They are all the nail filers that I have reviewed and will be reviewing in the future. How I use this product. I have done a detailed video on how to use a nail filer. Please click the eye icon on the top right side to view the video. If you're interested in the brand Bronson, then check out this playlist. My experience with the product. Is this cosmetic a safe beauty? Since this is a metal nail filer, I don't think it has such a category. Packaging. Not particularly a fan of the outer packaging. The product itself has a plastic handle that is purple and green in color to hold on to for ease of filing. Also look at it. It already looks a bit worn out when I received it. I think it was used a bit. Fragrance of the cosmetic. This is a stainless steel product. It again does not apply to this. Quality of the filer. It is a classic tapered file. The main body is mentioned as stainless steel and on the top, it has an abrasive surface that resembles sandpaper. Honestly, in the beginning, I loved it. But just after a few manicure sessions, I noticed it. The abrasive part on the body started to come out easily. As I already talked about this in my Crystal File 101 video, this is because it was either sprayed or glued on. Travel friendly. It is travel friendly product as it is small in size and it is also not fragile. Pros and cons. It is water friendly. It is very travel friendly. Not that happy about the packaging. Since the abrasive surface is either sprayed or glued on, it won't last for many manicure sessions. No logo is printed on the packaging. It is easily available for me. I don't think it applies to such a product. What do you think? Again, does not apply. These are my top 5 videos of the year 2020. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box below. My rating. I rate this product a 1. It loses major points because of a lot of points that I've already covered. One being about the abrasive surface. It will not even last me for a year. And I'm also not a fan of the cuticle trimmer. Ease of usage, I'm going to give it a 4. Storage and maintenance also gets a 4. Travel friendly, again a 4. Value for money, it's a 1. And overall rating, I'm going to give it is a 1. Will I buy this product again? Sadly, the answer is a no. I will not rebuy this product. If you are interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!